Hey friends, welcome back. If you want to talk all things ketosis, how I got kicked out, how I kept getting kicked out, how I figured out what was kicking me out, and how I'm going to help you figure out how to get yourself into ketosis, please stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Danielle, and today we are talking all things ketosis, all things keto, how my week went, what's going on, am I doing okay in this rush of the holiday season. So first off, I wanted to come on here and say happy Sunday. We are really in full drive here for the whole Vlogmas. So if you guys are not keeping up, I am filming one video a day for 25 days. I'm going to try to at least. So I would love for you guys to stick around, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and to make sure you are watching because we're giving stuff away. We are giving stuff away. Well, not we, I mean me. And I want to give to you guys, so I would love for you guys to make sure you are in it to, win some stuff. But before we get into any more about all that stuff, let's talk about how this week went. So I did a lot of keto videos this week, and I showed you guys like the truth. I know a lot of people don't think I struggle with, keto, but each person's different, and it just happens, okay? So thought I was eating good. And then I kept kicking myself out of ketosis, and I had to figure out what was happening. Why was I getting my numbers getting higher, and then all of a sudden I would take my number and it would be like no traces of ketosis. So I was like, what the hell is going on? What am I doing wrong? So sometimes you have to go to the drawing boards. You have to figure there's a culprit. Okay, it's something you are putting in your body that is kicking you out. So I was like, okay, I figured out it was, a lot of people said it was the pork carnitas from Costco, that they have like a sugar substitute in there. I threw out the box. So I'm gonna have to look it up on the internet and see what their ingredients, but I remember reading the packaging and not seeing any sugar in there. And people were swearing that that was it. I'm under the high impression that it was the like spinach jalapeno dip that I was eating, because that is sweetened with sucralose, and I really think that was the culprit of what was kicking me out. Because the thing is, it was tricky because I did have the pork and the spinach in the same day, so I was like, damn it. I have been steady on getting myself back in there. I've been doing very good with it. There was something else. I have to be careful with, I did a big video on keto snacks. I did those as, I don't try to do a lot of snacks because for me, it's very easy for me to hit protein. And I tried, it wasn't a keto snack per se, it was a low carb snack. And that one dropped me out pretty quickly because I went over on my protein that day. For me, myself, if I go over my protein, I will kick myself out of ketosis. That's just the way my body is. There's a difference between, I get a lot of messages, and I say this a lot about how, people are like, I don't know why I'm not losing weight, and I'm so frustrated. I'm staying below 20 carbs. What's going on? I'm not losing any weight. Okay, but there's a difference between being low carb and being keto. Okay, I'm gonna say that one more time. There is a difference between being on a low carb diet than on a keto diet, okay? I know many of you are just trying to stay low carb this month because of the holidays. And I said this week's video, and I'm just going to say it again, and this is not a cheap shot or, scolding. Do not, I am begging you because I have been you, okay? And I know it's so fucking easy to just say screw it. Don't throw this whole month down the shitter because you're busy, or because there's family parties, and because you just have it in your mind that you're just not going to be keto this month. I promise you, it's going to be harder to restart. You're going to you're going to feel worse while you're eating, okay? Then you're going to get on the scale, and it's going to be up, quite a bit, because you're gonna gain some water weight. Then you're gonna feel even worse. It's not only is it's an endless cycle of like mental abuse on yourself, and I don't want you guys to do it. And and I told you guys this last week. If you have events coming up, play it by ear. Okay, today is my daughter's birthday party. We have nothing on the menu that is keto. I have Puerto Rican rice, I have homemade tamales and frijoles charros, like a bean soup with bacon. Okay, not one of those things is keto. And you know, what am I gonna do? I made stuff. I made a keto spinach dip. I made a keto BLT dip. I made, I got, you know, crisps. I made, what else did I make? I made other little things, you know, I made salami roll-ups. So I made sure that I can have something to eat. If you're going to a party and you don't think they're gonna have anything, bring a tray with you. So at least you know you can go hard on that tray if all else fails, okay? If you're gonna go have some cocktails, I like the little meal drinks. Well, they might kick you out. Maybe they might kick you out of ketosis, but you still will be relatively low carb on keto, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. I promise you guys, you'll feel so much stronger and better, because not even if you don't drink, you're going to feel like shit the next day. Carbs and sugar give me the worst hangover effect. I feel run down, I feel bloated, I feel sick, I feel tired. It's just not a good thing. So promise me you will at least try your hardest to not do it, okay? And do I understand that times happen? Absolutely. I can tell you right now, Aunt Valley's cherry tarts are going down on Christmas Eve. Like, no ands, ifs, or buts. That is what I'm about to dive on in. Like, I am going in on Aunt Val's cherry tarts. She makes them once a year, and that's my thing. I've loved them since I was a kid. So yeah, okay, it's not gonna be the best decision, but I'm not also gonna say, okay, for the next 20 or 30 days of this month, I'm just gonna eat like shit. But I know that one day, I'm gonna dive on in, you know? It's just, it's come to the point where it's just not worth it to me. Like, food doesn't equal fun. Food doesn't equal unforgettable family memories. Being present does. You know, being there does, you know? So, you know, maybe tuck the phone in your back pocket, you know, engage in conversation. That is what makes the memories, not if you ate Aunt Sally's chicken dip, you know? And again, if this is, and that's, I'm saying that loosely, because I know so many people have so many parties to go to, and it's like, it can be so overwhelming with kids parties, work parties, immediate family, extended family, friends parties, you know, and it's just like shit, work, it's just everything. And it can really get to you, you know? Eat before you go, bring snacks, pick what you can. If you're going to a restaurant, say, hey, you know, I got me a gluten allergy. I'm gonna need you to tell me what you can have. I went out to that restaurant with my dad on last Sunday. If you guys seen that vlog, there was nothing on that menu that was keto. I made the best choice, and I'm pretty sure there was honey in that damn dressing. It was delicious, but I just made the best choice I could. Could I have said, hey, you know what, let me get that dang pot pie? No, I didn't. I just made the best choice I was there with, you know, because it wasn't, that was the memory. Sitting down, eating with my family, being there, showing my girls these great memories. That was the memory, okay? That was the experience. It wasn't, you know, if I could eat to the point where I was uncomfortable. And then, you know, because what would have happened is I would have felt like crap about myself, and then I would have been like, oh my God, I feel like shit. I can't believe I did that. Oh, you know, because that's how I am. I mentally beat myself up when I eat like that, when I just binge eat. And I'm not saying a slip up, not even a slip up, if you treat yourself or if you have a cheat meal or whatever, don't let a cheat meal turn into a cheat day, turn into a cheat week, and then before you know it, it's the 25 pounds you've lost in the last 3 months are now you've only really lost 5 because you gained everything back because you're just bloated and you ate terrible. And then you're gonna have to go through the whole step again. So keto flu, sugar detox, like all the not fun stuff, okay? So try to stick on plan. I promise you guys it is so worth it. As for me, I stuck on plan. I have been tracking my macros-ish. I had noticed that when I dropped my macros to that 150 grams of fat, I was hungry. Like, I noticed I was hungry. On keto, guys, you are not supposed to be hungry. So my cycle is coming, and I do notice that I do get hungrier when my cycle is coming. I think it's just my body metabolizing stuff. So I did have to bump up my calories. I am at 170.8 on the head. So I lost a little bit over a pound, maybe a pound-ish. Yeah, so I'm like, I'm getting close, guys. So close. It's crazy. That 160 is just, you know, it's crazy. I just can't believe it. But while we going into this, I wanted to also tell you guys that we hit 35,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which to me is absolutely insane. I just can't believe that you guys are here. You guys follow me. You guys are, you know, friends. You guys are my friends, and it's amazing to me. I never thought in a million years that this, and I just say it, I never thought this was gonna work. You know what I mean? Like, I just was never like everybody else on here. So the fact that you guys are here and you're vibing with me, and I love the hell out of every one of you, and I cherish every one of you, and was saying that I want to give you guys a gift. I know you guys have all been wanting to get your hands on one, and I know it's the Christmas season, and you guys are busy treating your family and getting, you know, your kids and your loved ones out of the way, and you didn't want to spend any extra money on yourself. I understand that. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, you know, I get that. So I got you guys one. I wish I can get every single one of you guys one. I'm thinking I might try to do this, you know, once a month or something. This is not a sponsored giveaway. This is for me. Yeah, so Keto MOJO. I know you guys have been digging it. You guys really want one. This is the same one I use. It has, it's like the basic kit. So it has just the monitor in there, the lancet, the little prickers, and glucose and ketone strips. So this is a little kit for you. And unfortunately, I only have one to give away. You know, maybe, you know, the bigger I get, hell, I'll start buying more. Who knows? Maybe I'll get some stock or something of these people. But, yeah, so I do have, if you guys did want to purchase one, I do have a code that saves you maybe 10%, maybe 15, I don't know. It's down below if you guys want to get yourself one. But I want to give this one away to one of you guys. So how is this giveaway going to go? Well, I want you guys to be subscribed to me here. And if you guys have social media, I would love for you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I would like to know down below, what are your plans for this month? Are you planning to stay on track? Or are you just saying, screw this month, it's too overwhelming, I'm gonna start again in January? I want you guys to be honest, because we're real friends here, and I never want you guys to feel that you can't tell me the truth, or I can't be honest with you. Like, if my friends can't tell me when I'm being a jerk, then who can, right? And I feel like we're real friends. So I wanna know. And if you guys feel like you're gonna say, you know what, it's too overwhelming, the holidays are a big trigger for me. You got a lot, I know a lot of people are going through a lot of their own personal issues, and I get it, you know, but if I can help you guys in any way, my email is always listed below. Email me, message me. I'm here. I am here. We'll get through these holidays together. I know it's hard. So yeah, I want to give you guys one of these just to thank you for just being so great with me. I do have quite a few giveaways that I've been kind of stocking away for. So make sure you are subscribed and that notification bell is hit below. Always remember to share the channel with all your friends and family. The more the merrier, as they say. But yeah, so this giveaway will be open from today, Sunday the 8th, until Friday the 13th. That's like an unlucky day. Okay, it's gonna be open till Friday the 13th, and I will, just go ahead down below and I will direct message you. If I can find you on social media, I tend to look you guys up on social media when I pick you guys, and I will message you. You guys have 48 hours to get back to me. If you guys don't get back to me in 48 hours, I'll pick another one, but that's never happened to me, so let's not do that this time. But yeah, and then I will ship it out to you, USPS, and you guys can, start, checking your progress and seeing how you are. So, Keto MOJO for the fam bam. Also, before we wrap this video up, I did a little Amazon haul, and I wanted to show you guys what I got, because these things are what really helped me stay motivated to go to the gym. And this is the first thing I got. It was a new belly wrap, but it's not the Sweet Sweat one. I had the Sweet Sweat one, but it's so old and beat up, I needed a new one. But this has the back thing, and it's a double one. So you do this one, and then these come off, and you can make it even tighter. I'll link it down below. I got it off of Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. I think for everything I paid 30 bucks. So I don't have Amazon Prime. I know, I'm like the only person in America. But, so I got this one, And I like it. I mean, I haven't worked out with it yet. It just came in the mail, but it does give me some support in the back, and it does get you real nice and tight in the stomach. So I got that. And then I picked up, finally, the KT tape. This is the elastic sports tape for pain relief and support. I got it for my knees and my ankle and all this stuff, so I can go ahead and kick Couch to 5K right in the ass again. Not gonna lie, I didn't finish it. I mean, we're honest. So I'm gonna try it again. But this says it's good for carpal tunnel, hamstring strains, wrist pain, runner's knee, neck strain, calf strain, shoulder pain, Achilles tendonitis, tennis elbow, plantar fasciitis, ooh, golfer's elbow, shin splints, rib pain, ankle pain, gluteus pain, quad pain. So I hope they give you like an instruction on how to tape everything. Oh, they do. They kind of show you right here on how to tape it. Okay, so they give you like a little thing on how to tape everything. So yeah, so I picked that up. So hopefully I can go ahead and get back into the swing of things. And then I got this to go underneath my wrap. The one I have, I was using Sweet Sweat, then I ran out, and then I was using this other one, but I'm almost out of that one too. And this one had really good reviews. It is the Abs Muscle Stimulator 6-pack toner cream. It's really not going to give you a six-pack. It's just kind of helps you sweat a little bit while you're working out. It removes fat cells, firms and tones abdominal muscles, and stimulates abdominal muscle growth. It's bullshit. I just want it to make me sweat. It had really great results. Like, people were saying it worked, so I was like, well, here goes nothing. So, but that's the way it looks. So I'm just gonna put that on during my workout to kind of see. But all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Please let me know down below, how was your week? How are things going? Even if you're not keto, how's Weight Watchers? How are you guys liking their new plans? Just tell me, how was your week? I love you guys. I'm just so blessed to have you all here, and I want you guys to know that I truly adore every single one of you guys, and I appreciate you all being here in my life. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna go celebrate my girl's birthday. I love you guys, and I will see y'all. Oh, hold on. Vlogmas, we doing it. Make sure you're subscribed because we are trying this videos, so make sure you're here for it, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas.